complete, you don't get phala. Therefore, it is called Chitram. And again, Gruna is Kanti. He is having a wonderful power with him, and that power should be congenial for people upon the earth to be able to bear it. Simple Madras heart and Bengaluru heart, we both at both places people are unhappy. Go to Madras, oh, too much. Then come to Bangalore, very much. So too much and very much, but much is there. That's why that much is called as Gruna. So Grunena, and again Hima, whatever Hima or snow, cool, he gives, it should be also a matter of happiness, and day should be good, night should be good, and the vision, the dhyanatva, and everything. So for all that, what is this first request that we are making? Bhava. Bhava means liable for our experience. Where is the taste of the pudding? Pudding taste is there in tasting it. When once you put some sugar in the mouth, then only you will say sugar is sweet. However much we describe, we don't know. Therefore, Shamno Bhava. So to all these things which are connected to our mundane life, Surya Bhagavan has to be attentive and give us Sham. Therefore, Shanno Bhava, we always say that, please be. And now let's come to this thing. Last class, I don't know, we have come up to the Suklavasa Rudraganaha. So during the summer season, when his sun is exalted, sun is astronomically or astrologically is exalted during April 14th to May 15th. That we have noted. Nijahan Prithivigum Sarvam Jyotisha Pratikhyena Saha. So Pratikhyena Joshisha, Pratikhyena Joshisha means high heat. The temperatures rise up during the May month. That's why we always saw that Agni is there. And such Agni, because why he should become that Agni, or because he has to draw some water up into him from the earth, because there is no water in the heaven. Whatever water is there in the heaven, all the water is sent out to the earth. Therefore, again, unless there is a liquidization, unless there is water, things cannot be lubricated. So water is highly powerful because apamapa mapasarva asmad asmadito mutaha. When you learn that, everywhere water, 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 everywhere water. And here water, there water. Because water is the only source to generate life, to annihilate life, to maintain life. Whether life is good or bad or different, but if promotion of life is only light. Therefore, pratikhyena jyotisha saha sarvam prithivigum nijahan. But how does he do it? Because Grishmena avartate saha. So Grishma Rutu, because Grishma means it's very much summer wherein you get lot of heat generation. There is a lot of scope for sweating. There was one gentleman, physics professor, I mean aeronautic professor. He was going every year to from Bangalore to Visakhapatnam. I asked him, why you make travel? No, once in way we should come to Visakhapatnam to sweat. In Bangalore, there is no sweating. So unless we sweat, we don't grow healthy. And we have the opportunity. That's why one day suddenly I met him in the train going to Visakhapatnam. And this is what he said, I remember. Because ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ there was no sweating at all. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ cold. But things have changed now. But while September, October onwards, chilly begins. Not wait up to December. I remember in 50s and 60s and 70s, Bangalore was a wonderful weather. So the moment one would see the Malur station, they would see the Bangalore Hawa. So that was the time, and so to here Grishmena, because of the Grishmatva, he will be Sarvam Prithivim Nijahan. So Nijahan means occupying. So he will be making the presence of heat to be present during summer everywhere. Maybe summer may be different in different regions. See winter. See what is winter in one place is summer in other place. Countries. See geographical global differences are there, but all global differences are due to only Surya Bhagavan. So you can't say Surya is here, Surya is not there, because Sarvatra Sarvada Surya Tishtati. He has not got rest. All the 24 hours he is on. Therefore, and at that time, during summer, the Rudra Ganas are there. Because Rudra Ganas or Rudras, they will be always wearing there are 11 Rudras who come on to walking in the sunshine. So we have got in during summer the entire earth being occupied, and that occupation of heat is supposed to be the Rudra. Because Rudra means Ghora, Aghora, and everything is there. All ferociousness and all energy, all activation, vigor. Rudra is never lazy. Rudra is Agni. Rudra is Kala and Rudra. That's why, say, Sukravasaha Rudra Ganaha. You understand? Rudra Ganaha. Gana is Samuha. There is not one Rudra, two Rudra. There are Sahasra. There are thousands and thousands of Rudras are there, occupying the entire world. Upon earth, upon in Antariksha Loka, Ye Annamba, Yesham Vata Annam. Annambataha. So you don't know, they also exist with some kind of food. Therefore, what is that characteristic of Rudraganas? During that time, they will be always having the Suklavasa, white dress. Suklavasa Rudraganaha Grishmena Avartate. I think you have understood that. And now Saha Pratikhyena Saha Pratikhyena Jyotisha is to say that the Jyotisha and the heat, and the maximum heat that could be attained of all seasons is only during the summer season. How if you want to see Surya Bhagavan in his top priority of power, only in summer. The remaining days, Surya is different. Therefore, after summer, now I think we have to do from here. Please repeat. Vishwarupani.
Vishwarupani. Vishwarupani.
Vasagumsi.
Vasagumsi. Vasagumsi.
Adityanam nibodhata.
Adityanam tannibodhata. Adityanam nibodhata.
Samvatsarinam karmaphalam.
Samvatsarinam karmaphalam. Samvatsarinam karmaphalam.
Varshabhihi dadatagum saha.
Saha. Varshabhirdadataagum saha. Varshabhirdadataagum saha.
Adukho dukkha chakshuriva.
Adukko dukkha chakshuriva. Adukko dukkha chakshuriva.
Tadma pita iva drusyate.
Tadma pita iva drushyate. Tadma pita iva drushyate.
Sitena vyathayanniva.
Shitena vyatayanniva. Shitena vyatayanniva.
Rudaksha iva drusyate.
Rudaksha iva drushyate. Rudaksha iva drushyate.
Kevana arthamainda iva isadi padale unnayo. Could you understand anything? Dry.
Jyotisha pratikhyena saha.
It's a dry because That's why anytime, any number of times you read Arnab Prashna, that will pose a challenge for us.
Mhm.
We require the commentators and good gurus who can make it very easy and can make it available on your desktop.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, we may read, we may think that we may get punyam because we are making prayer. But what is that punyam we are getting? Knowledge and meaning knowing itself is punyam, I believe. Therefore,
Yes.
now, after, and moreover, the descriptions or varnanas in Vedic poetry is not as green and sapful as in the kavyas. ఈ కావ్య ప్రపంచం లోపల వర్ణనలు చూస్తుంటే నోరు ఊరుతుంది,
Mhm.
ఇక్కడ కొంచెం బుర్ర పని చేస్తుంది, నోటి దాకా రాదు. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. లుక్ హియర్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఆదిత్యానాం నిబోధత. సో యూ ప్లీజ్ నోట్ the various forms of the Adityas. Adityanam means 12 Adityas are there. Mitra, Surya, Bhanu, Khaga, Pusha, Hiranyagarbha, Savitrarka, like that 12 Suryulu unnaru. All these 12 Suryas are all active. So because of such number of Suryas, things are all being well maintained, organized, administered, and problem free. Governments మారుతాయి కానీ సూర్యుడు మారుతాడేంటి? Agni, Vayu, Surya, they cannot be replaced. That's why Namaste Vayo Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishyami అని మనము నమస్కారం పెడతాం. అట్లనే అగ్నిర్ బ్రహ్మ అగ్నిర్ ఋషి అని చెప్పి అగ్నిదేవుడికి పెడతాం. అట్లే వాయువు, అగ్ని అండ్ ఆదిత్యుడు. ఆదిత్యో వా ఏష ఏతన్మండలం తపతి. కాబట్టి ఎంతమంది అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్స్ వచ్చి మారి చచ్చిపోయినా కూడా వీళ్ళు మాత్రం మారరు. అందుకే సూర్య భగవానుడికి ఏంటంటే కీర్తి, పశ్యం జన్మాని సూర్య. సూర్య భగవాన్ అందరి పుట్టుకలు చావులు చూస్తూ ఉంటావు, కానీ నువ్వు ఏడో, యూ డోంట్ క్రై బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ బికమ్ రొటీన్ టు యూ. కొత్తగా వస్తే ఒకసారి వస్తే ఏడుస్తారు కానీ పదే పదే సత్యాన్ని కూడా అడుగుతారు అంటారు. పర్సన్ హూ డైస్ రిపీటెడ్లీ నోబడీ బాదర్స్ అబౌట్ హిమ్. సో లైక్ దట్ ఆదిత్యానాం నిబోధత. Please note that there is along with the Adityas, 12 Adityas, the sun or Aruna will be able to manifest upon the earth because they will be bearing many colored fruits. Vishwarupani means colors. During rainy season, you get colors, different of colors, flowers. Only during rainy season, you have got all vratas. Ganesha Bartane, Gauri Bartare, and all festivals come from Shravana and onwards. So that's why there is that Varsha Rutu begins. And Vishwarupani means multiple forms. The 12 Adityas jointly provide us rain so that the people can get sustenance. And what would be the kind of sustenance that they get? Variance in the percentage of rain. And for Vishwarupani means rain will not be the same at all places in the globe. So the percentage of rain varies at various centers of the earth and commensurate probably the need of the area marked out. Some areas need more water, some areas need, so there is that kind of water requirements. Accordingly, the management is being done by God. And who are the managers of the water distribution? These 12 Adityas. That's why Adityanam Vishwarupani Vasagumsi. Next one, Samvatsarinam Karma Phalam Varshavi Dadatagum Saha. So samvatsarinam karma phalam means the karma phala, or that you get all the entire year, whatever water is provided to us during rainy season will be useful. When once rainy season is over, again you have to look for another rainy season. Meanwhile, the rain given by the god is quite enough. That's why in Namaka Prashna, we have got a reference to Rudra as Aditya, saying that Tamro Aruna Uda Babrusu Mangalaha. You know the word Babruhu is there. Though it's a brownish color, what is the Babru? Is a cloud. The clouds, rain giving clouds will be little dark, little deeper brownish and all that. Therefore, Rudra or Surya Bhagavan takes the role of provider of rain to the world. Therefore, adhenu samvatsarinam karma phalam. So as you keep on sowing trees, the seeds, and also plantations and everything, all that in the whole year, you will be reaping the benefits. And so, Varshabhihi dadatagum saha. So Varshabhihi saha dadatagum. But saha means that along with the rains, he will also give crops, flowers, and all that. So rainy season is a multi-disciplinary activity for Surya Bhagavan, whereat not only he gives water, he gives scope for many other operations to be performed on the land, so that whatever work that you do upon the land to generate food and other comforts would withstand till the whole year. Samvatsarinam means belonging to the whole year. So samvatsarinam karma and samvatsarinam phalam. You understand? You just split the word karma phalam into two divisions, then you will understand samvatsarinam karma phalam. So to say, the rainy season, because of the 12 Adityas jointly, the Surya Bhagavan, Aruna, is able to provide us adequate amount of water for the whole year, that there will be variance of the percentage of rain in various places commensurate to requirement, and see that Sasyashyamalam, Malaya Sitaram, etc. will be the effect of Surya Bhagavan. I hope you understood every word. Vishwarupani refers to the percentage of rain at various centers, giving rise for different colors, fruits, and products and all that. So Vishwarupa. Vasa Gumsi. Vasa is the covering, clothing. And what is that vasa? Vasa is the fruits that you are going to get. So the verb here is nibodhata. Nibodhata means please note. Please mark that rainy season has got that all advantage. Now let's go to next one. I hope. Please repeat. Adukho dukkha chakshuriva.
Adukho dukkha chakshuriva. Adukho dukkha chakshuriva.
Tadma pita iva drusyate.
Tadma pita iva drusyate. Tadma pita iva drusyate.
Sitena vyathayanniva.
Sitena vyathayanniva. Sitena vyathayanniva.
Rudaksha iva drusyate.
Iva drusyate. Rudaksha iva drusyate.
Hladayate jvalataschaiva.
Hladayate jvalataschaiva. Hladayate jvalataschaiva.
Shamyataha cha asya chakshushi.
Shamyataha cha asya chakshushi. Shamyataha cha asya chakshushi.
Shamyatascha asya chakshushi.
Shamyatasya tascha chakshushi. Shamyatascha chakshushi.
या वै प्रजा भृगुष्यन्ते
या वै प्रजा भृगष्यन्ते या वै प्रजा भृगष्यन्ते
संवत्सरात् भृगुष्यन्ते
संवत्सरात्ता भृगष्यन्ते संवत्सरात्ता भृगष्यन्ते.
So during this rainy season, you find the sky is having some problems. Tadma is jaundice. Pita is brown. Pita is red. And these are all the symptoms of the colors for a disease nature. For example, Tadma andre jaundice when eyes turn yellowish.
That's all.
And Pita Varna is because of cold and you start shivering and looks become tormented. So you cannot see properly when you are stuck with cold. అందరికి అనుభవం కోల్డ్ వచ్చిందంటే కంటింట నీళ్లు సరిగ్గా కనిపించదు కళ్ళు ఎర్రగైపోతుంది. So this is all the statement of rishis trying to pose the physical human conditions upon the Paramatma and upon the atmosphere. So కళ్ళు ఎర్రగవుతుంది, పడిసం పడుతుంది, తర్వాత
మ్యూట్ అయిందండి. హలో హలో బ్రేక్.
అదుఃఖో దుఃఖచక్షురివ, as though there is no dukkha at all for the sky, but appears as though there is dukkha in that. చిన్న పిల్లవాళ్ళు ఏడుస్తారు కదా, కళ్ళలో నీళ్ళే రాదు, వాళ్ళు ఏడుస్తుంటే ఎక్కడ రాని కళ్ళలో నీళ్లు అడుగుతారు. వెరీ నో. సో యూ విల్ అటెండ్ టు హిమ్ because actually the boy has not got any dukkha, but whatever dukkha he pretends is only a natana. సో చిన్న పిల్లవాళ్ళతో ఏంట్రా యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నావు అనేది ఎగురుతారు మీరు. సో అదుఃఖో దుఃఖ చక్షురివ, ఎంత బాగుంది చూసారా హ్యూమరస్ గా. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ అరుణ ప్రశ్న, సీ ది బ్యూటీ ఇన్ అరుణ ప్రశ్న ప్రోజ్. సో దుఃఖ చక్షు అదుఃఖ, దుఃఖం లేనివాడు దుఃఖంగా ఉన్న కళ్ళు పెట్టుకుంటే ఎలా ఉంటుంది. ఈ నాటకంలో వేసే డ్రామా యాక్టర్స్, డాన్సర్స్, దే విల్ హ్యావ్ టు డూ దిస్ టైమ్ థింగ్, ఎస్పెషలీ కుడియాట్టం డాన్స్ ఇన్ కేరళ. they will make their eyes look very red, like అగ్ని, నిప్పులు ఉన్నట్టుగా చేసుకుంటారు కళ్ళల్లో. అప్పుడు ఆ కళ్ళు చూస్తేనే భయం వస్తుంది మనకు. కేరళ అట్లా looks like having an eye ailment, though the season has no grief at all. When rainy season is there, people are happy because they get plenty of water. And also it looks as though they have got the jaundice. Tadma, Tadma is a disease. In Atharvaveda, you have got a big number of list of diseases. And Ayurveda people have enlisted 64 types of diseases. So disease also, when there is a ease in the body, there are so many other things which will make disease, to disease the body. Therefore, body is tenable for all these things. We have to be careful. So, Tadma Pita Iva Drusyate. And so I hope, therefore, I think you understood the statement. And Sitena Vyathayanniva. So, during that time, when rains are coming, you feel cold. And Sita is a matter of dukkha. Sita and Ushna, both are problems. So Sitoshna Dukkha should be tolerated. Sitena Vyathayanniva. So everywhere it will be cold, 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 and high, beautiful mountain. Because of the rain, so much of grass comes up on the land. So many unknown plants will crop up. The earth will be green. It will not be bald. During summer, the ground will be bald. And when rains come, you see the greenery cropping up. Therefore, when once that greenery comes, when that greenery comes, when the grass and all that green comes up, for what it is the festival, Rurudaksha Drusyate. Rurudaksha is a black stag animal. జింకల్లో నల్ల జింకలు ఉంటాయట. ఆ నల్ల జింకలకి రురుదక్ష అంటారు. అలాంటి జింకలు ఇప్పుడు లేవు. దే ఆర్ ఎక్స్టింక్ట్. సో all those black stags, they come ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయో ఏంటో, looking at the growth of special grass, which is their food. During summer season, no grass. So they will be somewhere hiding, waiting for the food. Man only cannot tolerate food. I mean, if he cannot tolerate hunger, but animals can tolerate the hunger. Therefore, we always make animal adaptation rather than human. Human beings want to keep on eating, but animals don't eat as and how like that. For example, lion. Lion is the best animal example where it exercises a wonderful control over the diet. Therefore, lion is always lion. Man is not always man. He goes to doctor with a bottle. ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್, ಸಾರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಟಲ್ ತಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳು. ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ టు కాంపౌండ్ మెడిసిన్ అండ్ గివ్ దేర్ ఓన్లీ. ఇప్పుడు బాటిల్ కాదు, వాళ్ళ దగ్గర పెన్ను పెట్టుకుంటారు, ఆ పేపర్ నింపించిస్తారు. మెడికల్ షాప్ పోతే 2000 రూపాయలు అవుతుంది. సో నో, సో రురుదక్షైవ దృశ్యతే. అండర్స్టాండ్? సో వెన్ దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ ప్లెంటిట్యూడ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రాస్ or greenery grown in the places upon the earth, then all the animals will join to enjoy the grass. So you understand, in this passage, you have got the ailments disappear, health prevails during the subsequent rains. And again, Surya Bhagavan is not a one time giving, no one time business. Whole 60 days, Varsha Rutu and little beyond, he will give you plenty of rain. Dina maleri antirya. Roju Dina maleri andre no papa. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ದೇವರು ದಿನಾ ಮಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಷ್ಟನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೈ ಅಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಗ್ರೀಫ್. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ದಿನಾ ಮಳೆ 15 ದಿವಸ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, because the subsequent rains will sustain the land for one more year. Complete గా ఒక సంవత్సరం అంత నీళ్లు కావాలి కదా. People say that our tanks alla water ledu, adi ledu, idi ledu. But if all the Linganamakki in Bangalore is full, then people have no botheration. They get full water. And again, next paragraph, I think we'll go. Hladayate jvarataschaiva samyatascha samyatascha chakshushi yavai prajabhraggusyante paratta braggusyante. In view of the rains, all crops get ripened. Hladayate, hladana is santosha. So all the crops will be, all the trees will be turning green, and as a result, all people take lot of delight in it. So they love rainy season because the nature turns green, because the earth will give out Prithvi Gandha. Prithvi Gandha is very fragrant. బాగా ఎండ వచ్చి కొంచెం వాన వస్తే అప్పుడే మీకు ఆ భూమి వాసన కనిపిస్తుంది. అందుకే తర్కశాస్త్రంలో ఏమంటారంటే గంధవతి పృథివీ. వాట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ది క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఆఫ్ ల్యాండ్? ఇట్ హస్ గాట్ a fragrance. So land is having a fragrance, land is having the flower colors, etc. Therefore, anavarne me bhumi. In Varna Prashna itself, you come across ime bhumi anavarne. Nothing Bhudevata keeps for herself. Whatever wealth and talent and capacity the earth has got, that will show in the form of the plants. You got number of colors, even among the trees also, and among the leaves also, colorful leaves are there. That colorful leaf plant, you call it as a decoration plant. Though you don't matter when it does not give you flower. So you love plants, whether or not it gives flowers or fruits. It's how you love the leaves. You love the green. So we have got one plant, croton plant, whose leaves are pakka yellow color.
Yes.
First of all, it will be yellow, I mean green for some time. This whole green disappears and becomes yellow to give you wonderful sight to your eyes. Therefore, when you look at that kind of crops getting ripened and colors coming up, the eye of the rainy season gets the peace, and it becomes Samyataha, bright and happiness. Samyataha means when once the whole Vatavaranam bright and happy, you become really elated. And next problem, you see, you cannot simply stop not doing the sowing operations, agricultural operations. You should sow the seeds. Therefore, in case you don't take hold of the advantage of the rain, then what is the problem? Yavai prajaha bhraggusyante samvatsaratta bhraggusyante. Those people who become lazy, do not sow the seeds, do not make any agricultural operations, they will be suffering whole year. ఎంత బాగా చెప్పారు చూసారా? వానలు వచ్చినప్పుడే మీరు విత్తనాలు వేసుకొని పంటలు పండించుకోవడానికి ప్రిపరేషన్ అయి చేసుకొని, then only you will be getting the crops. If you are lazy, don't do when. That's why especially groundnut crops, so when they do it, or before just around rainy season, one rain comes, they will start sowing the groundnuts. And because of the natural rainfall, you get groundnuts. Therefore, I think so. Yavai praja bhraggusyante samvatsaratta bhraggusyante. So Varsharutu turns bright in the eyes of everybody, and much harvest experience comes. When harvest comes up, then they will be very happy. Supposing they are lazy during that season, they turn lazy and do not sow seeds, they will suffer unhappiness whole year. Whole year they will suffer unhappiness. Therefore, rainy season among all the seasons is a highly advantageous season. Please repeat. Yaha pratitishtanti. Yes. Yah pratitishtanti.
Yah pratitishtanti. Yah pratitishtanti.
Samvatsareta pratitishtanti.
Samvatsareta pratitishtanti. Samvatsareta pratitishtanti.
Varshabhyaha ityarthaha.
Varshabhya ityarthaha. Varshabhya ityarthaha.
So, yaha pratitishtanti samvatsare taha pratitishtanti. Those people who sow seeds during this season, they remain happy with plenitude of crops. So it should be plenitude. So taha tishtanti pratitishtanti. These are the two verbs where pratitishtanti is the result of happiness. Tishtanti is the initiation for work. So if you work during that time, then sowing the seeds, then you will be able to enjoy the benefits, the plenitude of crops you will get. And all this is happening because of the Varsha Rutu. Varshabhya ityarthaha. All this is happening only because of the Varsha, or so the crops and production and harvesting and all that will come only when there is the Varsha Rutu. Repeat. Akshi dukkhottitasyaiva.
अक्षीदुःखोऽस्ति यश्चैव
Akshi dukkhottitasyaiva.
अक्षिदुःखोऽस्ति तस्यैव अक्षिदुःखोऽस्ति तस्यैव
Viprasanne kaninike.
विप्रसन्ने कनीनिके विप्रसन्ने कनीनिके
Ante chadganam nasti.
आन्ते चाद्गणं नास्ति आन्ते चाद्गणं नास्ति
So another version is Ante chad gunam nasti. Gunam is a variant reading. So variant reading gunam and ganam, but both mean have different senses. So Rubhunam tan nibodhata.
ऋभूणां तन्निबोधत ऋभूणां तन्निबोधत
So when once the rainy season is over, when you have got that kind of benefit of the rainy season whole year, then there may be the people may be losing and gaining, and that is to say that they will be reaping the crops, resowing and repeating, something like the sugarcane field. When sugarcane is matured, people take the whole sugarcane, they will burn it. When sugarcane is burnt, then again they will become sprouts. So when sugarcane field is lit for fire, it is so beautiful to look at. మన పల్లెల్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు పల్లెల్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఈ అనుభవాలు అంతా ఉంటుంది. పట్టణాల్లో ఉండడానికి ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది? రెస్టారెంట్స్ కనిపిస్తుంటే. So we don't see the natural things in the cities. We do see in that. That's why here it is said that Varshabhyaha akshi dukkhottitasyaiva viprasanne kaninike ante chadganam nasti. So the description of the season continues in this, saying that by the grace of Saradrutu in this season, that there will be clear eyes of individuals. And when once the Sarat, after any season, you get the Sarat season. During the Sarat season, sky will be clear. That means our eye will be clear. Eye diseases or eye problems will not be there during the Sarat Kala. And eye ailments will disappear. And so, Viprasanne kaninike. Kaninika means eye, eyeball. So kaninikas, whatever viprasannatva is there, that is the eye becomes completely clear of water, cold. During the Sarat season, you don't find much attack of the colds. Only during the rainy season, because of the weather, water, it causes that. Then kaninika is that. And what does kaninika become? Viprasannam. Viprasannam means vina problem, without any problem. So clear eyes will be there. And now the eyes look very much beautiful. And ante chadganam nasti. So the eye looks so beautiful because as though it is anointed with katuka. కంటికి కాటుక పెట్టుకుంటే చాలా మంచిది. గోవింద గారు మీ అమ్మగారు చెప్తారు, కాటుక ఎందుకు పెట్టుకుంటారు అంటే ఆ మగవాళ్ళు కూడా పెట్టుకునేవాళ్ళు, కానీ మగవాళ్ళు లేజీ అయిపోయి వదిలేశారు. ఆడవాళ్ళు మాత్రం పెట్టుకుంటారు. ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు కూడా వదిలేశారు. Because so many cream shops have come. In the cream shop you don't find the collyrium katuka being sold. Katuka is sold by some ladies preparing in the house and bringing in the road. కాటుకమ్మ అని అమ్ముకుంటూ వచ్చేవాళ్ళు ఒకప్పుడు మేము చిన్నగా ఉన్నప్పుడు. ఆ
అయ్యో.
కాటుక ఇంట్లో తీసుకొచ్చి కొనుక్కునేవాళ్ళు. అంగడి కాటుక కాదు. అట్లా కాటుక గురించే బ్రహ్మాండంగా దట్స్ ది వండర్ఫుల్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ విచ్ విల్ ప్రొవైడ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ ఫర్ ది లుక్స్ అండ్ బ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ ది ఐస్.
Yes.
That's why Ankte cha ganam nas. That Ankte cha is that Katuka. When that Ankta is Katuka in Sanskrit, Vedic Sanskrit. So when that Ankta is anointed to the beautiful eyes, then there will be clear vision. First of all, see Ankte gunam nasti, Ankte chad gunam nasti, and Rubhunam Tannibodhata. So you please note that this kind of comfort for the eyes has been provided by the Rubhu Devatas. They are the erstwhile gods and goddesses. So Rubhu Devatas, they are famous in the Rigveda. They are the persons who apply collyrium to their eyelids and make their eye vision unblurred. And a perfect vision will be there if the Kataka is applied. When we had so many good habits introduced by the elders to men and women in the houses.
Correct.
Right in when the babies used to decorate with the Kataka. A baby who వెళ్ళిపోయిందంటే ఆడపిల్లలు కాటుక ముట్టరు. Anyway, but the advantage of Kataka is it increases the vision. The eye becomes clear. The eye ailments will be done. So like that, this is what is the culture introduced by Rubhu Devatas. So Rubhunam Tannibodhata. Nibodhata means understand. Please understand the instruction given by the Rubhus that all ailments of the eye will disappear when season comes up, and then your eye will be so pleasant with vision and no cold, nothing like that. And even to that added, if you have applied collyrium to the eye, how eye becomes a better health. So like that, it will be there during the Sarat season. So Sarat season, no clouds in the sky, bright sun, and number of festivals. 7 Navaratris will come to you. The very opening day of Shashvita Masa will be with the Dasara Utsavas. The Devis in now 9 forums. So Devi Navaratris come. Even Vasanta Rutu is also good. We have got Ramanami Utsavas, Vasanta Navaratri. So Vasanta Navaratri and Devi Navaratri. So thus we have got 2 Devi Navaratris. I mean 2 Navaratris, one for the Rama, Vishnu, and one for the Devi. Something like Baba Black Sheep. One Baba Black Sheep. So the division of the wool. Wool will be divided, one for me, one for others. So like that, Ruvunam Tannibodhata. So please note that it is all introduced, and during the this season, the Kaninika will be very clear, as though Dukkha Uttitasyeva. So as though the Dukkha has been removed from the eye because of the Ankte, because of the collyrium. So I think it is time, is it not? We'll just stop here. We'll continue about this Sharad Rutu in the next class. And I'm not going much in detail, but we are just trying to capture the meaning of the words, because
Yes,
it's a special Vedic prose which you find in the Aranyakas. In the Aranyaka, prose is different. So there is one great French professor by name Renaud, I think so. He has written Vedic prose, a small booklet, where he has described the linguistics and characteristics and styles, etc., of prose which is found in the Vedas. The prose in the classical literature is different. So the prose in Veda, here, there won't be much ornamentation of descriptions And all Vedic books are all scientific treatises. In science, people don't waste words and sentences, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Take a test tube. They don't describe the test tube how it should be, whether it's glass or conical, nothing they talk. Take a test tube. Finished. So, like physics, like any science dictation, you have direct statement and you are more interested in the experiment and results.
Yeah.
Because
Sir,
your
is it Professor Renu?
the scientist's time is very important and precious.
So you said Professor Renu, sir? You said?
Renu, R-E-N-O-U,
Oh, okay, Renu. Okay.
Vedic prose. He has written one book on Vedic prose. And maybe in it's a very old book, maybe available in Amazon or maybe available in the libraries, old Seshadri Memorial Library in Bangalore. I think I saw a copy. And I read it in Pune also when I was a student. But these are all very ancient, standard works, because of which today we are proud of our Vedas. బ్రాహ్మణుల్ని నమ్ముకుంటే వేదం అంటే ఏమంటే అసహ్యం చేసుకుంటారు. టపటపటపడమో చెప్పేసి వెళ్ళిపోతారు కదమ్మా. వాళ్ళకు అర్థమవుదు, మనకు అర్థమవుదు. గాయత్రి పూజ దర్శన